services, along with exclusive member savings across the country. Stop by your local AAA office or online at AAA.com and see what AAA can do for you.
In my family, everyone has a different greeting card personality. My grandma loves funny cards. My daughter likes sweet cards. My son, he likes the ones that rhyme. So how perfect is it that Walmart has greeting cards starting at just 44 cents? One stop and I can stock up and get the right card for everyone for just 2 cents more than a stamp. And just in case my husband's listening, I'm an allergic pull card person. Greeting cards for just 44 cents. Save money, live better.
You can live truly debt-free on just the money you already make using our proven system. Let me send you a free code today that shows you how. Hi, I'm John Kabuta, creator of the Transforming Debt into Wealth system. My system doesn't consolidate your debt, it eliminates it, no matter how much debt you have.
I'm completely debt-free now thanks to John Kabuta.
Call now and I'll rush you my free tape. Call 1-800-900-59